It's Thredup Thursday, and today we are going to have some fun, which means we are opening a Thredup Fun Box. Welcome everyone, my name is Christina. I am a part-time reseller here on YouTube, eBay, Poshmark, The Real, Mercari, and Depop. So welcome or welcome back. We are going to be opening a Thredup rescue box today. And like I said earlier, it is the fun box, which is one of my favorite ones to do because you never know what you're going to get. This one's a pretty recent one, and this one is a big box, you guys. Most of my fun boxes that come are the smaller boxes, so I'm interested to see what is making this one so big. I do have the receipt sticking out of the side here, so we will take a look at this. And I ordered this one on September 4th. So we're going to get into this one. If you are not familiar with the Thredup Fun Boxes, you get 10 miscellaneous items, sometimes more. And the box is $34 plus shipping and plus tax. And shipping is 10 bucks, you guys. Okay, so before we get into the fun box, I just wanted to point out my little fit I have going on here today. I have my little ladybug blouse on, you guys. For those of you who've been watching the channel for a while, you may remember my story about how I bit into a ladybug by accident in my water, and it was horrible. So when I saw this shirt at the thrift, I was like, well, I have to pick it up. It's calling to me, okay? And then I also, on a separate trip to my thrift store, I found these art glass ladybug earrings. So had to have those on as well. I do have it paired with this J. Crew red and black necklace. This is actually for sale. It's listed in, well, on all my platforms actually. And if anyone is interested in the J. Crew necklace, I could do this one for $8. So if you are interested in this, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com and I'm happy to sell to you directly. So that's a discount off of what I have it listed in my Poshmark closet and on my eBay store. All right, and I do sell from my videos. So again, if there's anything you see in the box that you're interested in, just send me an email and I'm happy to sell to you directly. So I'll either give pricing as I'm opening the box or I will put it on the screen. All right, one more announcement while I'm cutting the tape. There is going to be a scarf collab amongst many of us content creators here on YouTube going on Saturday. So make sure to tune in. I will have the schedule posted in my community page. I think I go on at 6 p.m. Central Time. So make sure to hop in, say hi in the live chat, and see what I got in my scarf box. We'll all be showing scarves and selling scarves for kind of a kickoff to fall, y'all. So even though it's still like summer here. All right, so tape is cut. Let me move this. Okay. There we go. I'll probably just do a first peek after I pull the tissue because this box is kind of big and it's a little heavy, you guys. I'm interested to see what could possibly be in here. Ooh, okay. Looks like maybe a blanket or something is in here. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Now, the fun boxes typically have a lot of different accessories or things like that in them. Maybe socks, pajamas, headbands, which hopefully I'll get some of those, fingers crossed. And you just never know. Could be something you don't even know what it is. So, all right, here we go. First item. Looks like we've got like a fanny pack. That's not the correct name now, right? This one says A.P.C across it, which I'm assuming is the brand. And this is really cool. It's got a camo print, and then it's got like a black border, and then the waist belt is also in a black. And it's like a little bit padded. And look how there's like this quilting and like a camo stitch on it. I think that's really cool. So it's got one front pocket here. And then it's got the top pocket here with an interior zip. Well, I think this is so cool. I will have to look this up. It looks to me like this has maybe never been used. If it has been used, not much. So right off the bat, I would say this is a great item. Okay, so yay for that. Next up, we got some Wolford pantyhose. These are Shape and Control and Strong. Tummy 20 Control Top is what it says at an extra small. Looks like in the picture, you know, maybe they're in like a black, but it looks like the color is actually like a nude. Let's see if it says. I've sold Wolford before. They actually sell pretty well. So I will have to comp these out. I don't see, why don't I see the color on here? I'll have to put it on the screen. I don't want to take forever looking for it, but it does have the price tag on here. These were $61. So again, I've sold Wolford before for pantyhose. This is a winner. So yay. All right, next up, let's see. I'll do this blanket next, and then I'll try to give y'all a second peek of what is going on in here. Because I think this blanket's what's taking up a lot of the, oh my goodness, this is really big, you guys. Wow. Okay, we have, what is happening here? Okay. Crafted by Catherine, Cozy Knit Throw. And then it says, thank you for your order. So I don't know if it's by the store, Catherine, or if this is like a separate brand, but it's very soft. It's a 60-inch by 70-inch. It is 100% polyester. And, oh, it says it was distributed by Sam's Club. So there you go. I'll have to look up the retail on this and give a price, but you guys, this is awesome. Really soft, gray and white, brand new with tags. So super happy with that. I would actually keep this and throw it on our sofa, but when they're like, kind of like fuzzy blankets, you guys, my older dog, Mickey, he like chews them up. And you're not supposed to do that. So like if I get ones that are more like woven, he won't chew them up. But if they're like fuzzy like this, like it was a toy or something, then he like eats them. So I can't have that in my house. So that took up that whole side of the box. It's empty. Okay, we've got a few more things on this side. It looks like a hat and maybe some jewelry. So let's get into it and see. Okay. I feel like every time I get a hat lately, it's turned upside down and there's stuff shoved in it, which makes me really excited. Okay, so first up, it looks like we have a purse strap. This is cool. Let's see if we see any markings on it. We have a gold tone hardware, okay? And then I was trying to see if that was damaged, but it's not. The strap is gold. And then you guys, it is beaded all the way through in like a cheetah print. This is so pretty. Oh, I love this. I'm really surprised that there's no maker on this. This took a lot of work to like sew in these seed beads on here. Don't see any maker on the hardware or anything. So I will give this a good Google lens and I will measure it so you guys know how long it is. And I'll have a price on the screen for this one. So that's awesome. You can get some really good purse straps in here. I got a Coach one. I know Lindsay over at Lindsay Clark maybe got a Clear View one time. So you never know. All right, next up, we have a bra. Let's see. This one is Parfait lingerie. This is in a 34J. And I'm not familiar with Parfait. So another one I'm gonna have to look up. This is really pretty, you guys. Wait a minute, what size is this? A 34J? What is a J? I don't know what a J is, you guys. Is that weird? But you have this stitching, kind of like a corset type lace up the front, lacing up the front, and then it's sheer. And it's got this really pretty detail across the back. This seems like a really nice bra, you guys. Here's the tag Parfait. And it has all the different countries listed. So I'll have to look this one up and I'll have a price on the screen. And maybe I'll learn what a 34J is. I don't know what J is. It says the color is silver, you guys. And where the place where the price would be, there's no price. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. I'll have to do some research. All right, we've got a hat. And don't discount the hats in this box, you guys. You never know. I've gotten some good ones. Ooh, okay. This is 100% wool. I don't see the, oh, Target. But it looks like it's never been worn. It's in a really nice, kind of like a mustard yellow color, which would be great for fall actually. And then it's got this brown, like braided strap across it. That's really nice. For the hat, it's a Target brand, but it is wool. So we'll say $6 on the hat if anyone is interested in the hat. It's in good condition. Okay, a few more things in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and like pull everything out and then put the box down. Oh, you guys, there's headbands. Oh my gosh, okay. That's it. That's everything in the box. Okay. All right, let's start. We have a pair of socks. Okay, we've got West Loop Women's Cozy Socks. Fits shoe size 4 to 10. Okay, this is in a blue and white, just really soft. If anyone's interested in the socks, we can do those for $3. I've sold that brand before. Next up, looks like we have, wait a minute. Was this everything I pulled out? Yeah, it was. Okay, we have like a wrap. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, so it's not a wrap. It does actually have like a sleeve. Okay, but look how beautiful this print is. This is actually really perfect for fall. Okay, you've got some neutrals, a little bit of orange, some yellows, and a really nice blue. Really pretty print. This is by the brand Simply Noelle, which I've also sold before. So this is great. The bottom does have some little tassels, little blue tassels on the bottom. This should be like a one size fits all. That's what it looks like. Great condition. So if anyone is interested in the Simply Noelle, let's do this one for $8. I love that. That's really pretty. Okay, we do have a piece of jewelry and then we have some headbands. So let's do the headbands. Yay. So exciting. Okay, we have 2 headbands. All right, both in like a black and white. This is like a double gingham, if I can talk. This is in a double gingham print, okay? So you have kind of the small pattern here and the larger one here. No branding or anything on this one. Looks like it's in great condition. So, you know, I'll be holding on to that. Isn't that cute? It's got just like a small twist at the top, not even a full knot. And then the second one is also black and white, got little polka dots, and then these little flowers with a yellow trim. This one's adorable. I love this one, you guys. Again, no branding, so I will hold on to that. Okay, last item in the box. You guys, this went so fast. Okay, this is, what? Effy? Stop. Okay, hold on. What does this say? Trade in this pendant and receive $50 good as cash. What? I'm so confused. I'm gonna have to look this up and see what the deal was for this. Should we open it up? That was the dog. I'm dog sitting. I'm opening this up. I wanna see what this says. Does this say something on it? Like, this must have been some sort of promotion that they did, but I don't understand it. Okay, there it is. A brand new pendant. I have no idea, you guys. Really pretty chain here. I mean, whatever, if this is glass or stone, I don't know. I'll have to like do some research. It is prong set. It's in a really nice setting. So I don't know. But it does say trade in this pendant and receive $50 good as cash, no cash value. I guess at Effy. No idea. I will look this up and hopefully I'll have some more information on the screen. But this is cool. We got some jewelry, you guys. Okay, so let's go through and count our items. Okay, we got the Simply Noelle for 1, the headbands for 2, the Effy necklace for 3, I'm assuming it's Effy, the socks for 4, hat for 5, bra for 6, purse strap for 7, the huge blanket for 8, which by the way, if you end up purchasing this, this is probably going to be like $9 shipping, okay? Because it's heavy. It's very nice. And I already forgot what number I was on. I think this is 9 with the Wolford pantyhose, and then the A.P.C fanny pack for 10. So you guys, definitely a fun box. I have plenty of things to look up, which is awesome. I'm thrilled with the Wolford pantyhose, which I know is like a funny thing to be thrilled with. But I love all the items that we got in this box. I thought they were all really good. And I'm excited to also look up that Effy pendant. Like, that's really weird. It must have been part of some promotion, so we'll have to see. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of the box. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you will know when I have another video coming out. And make sure to stay tuned for Saturday for the unboxing of my Thredup scarf box, and I'll be offering up scarves for steals of deals, you guys. All right, see you then. Bye, y'all.